Hi, my name is Mary Fields, and I'm going to show you. People always get confused on the different ways to sign up with send out cards as a distributor. So I'm going to show you the two different sites. The first one, which is what I have, and I wouldn't have it any other way, is the most expensive. It's $3.95, but it's a one-time fee to start your business and well worth it. This is the site that you would have. You would have your name up here. It would be marketing distributor, your ID number, your contact information. You can have your story in here. They can go and contact you here, put their name and email and a message in. Cute little picture for Christmas, isn't it? And then so they would have this great video they could watch. They can send a free card. There's a button here that they can actually click on, and it takes them right to the card catalog, and they can have a walkthrough by Cody or not, and they can go ahead and then they would sign up at the end with their information so they can set up a free gift account and send a free card. Okay, so, and I'll let you hear the wonderful little 3-minute video they listen to. Also, I'll just be quiet for a second while you listen to that.
We'd love to send cards and gifts to everyone, but we're on a budget and we just can't afford it. And add to that the time it takes.
It just doesn't get done. I have lots of customers. How am I supposed to stay in touch with all of them? A card? Like a real paper card? Seems kind of old school to me.
When do I have time to run to the store, pick out a card, fill it out, address it, stamp it, run it to the post office?
We don't want to be forgetful grandparents.
We want to be heroes.
But it's not easy with all those birthdays.
Send out cards change the way I do business. You'd be crazy not to use it.
Now we can send a card for a third of the cost we could before.
And we can even add a gift right from the computer. And I can do it when I have the time. I love it.
Send out cards has turned me into a guy that absolutely sends out greeting cards. And it's helped me grow my business and it's made me a total rock star with my family.
Send out cards has revolutionized how the world sends greeting cards and gifts. With this amazing system, you can choose from thousands of greeting cards, add a personalized message, and even a photo. You can also include a gift. And most importantly, once you click that Send Card button, Send Out Cards prints, stuffs, addresses, stamps, and takes your card to the post office the very next day. Imagine the surprise when someone you care enough about to send a card or gift opens their mailbox to discover you remembered. It all starts with that Send Card button. First, your card is printed on the highest quality printers, cut, scored, inserted into an envelope, sealed, addressed, verified, stamped, and then delivered to the post office. And best of all, it all happens within 24 hours of you clicking that Send Card button. No more driving to the store, trying to find the right card from a narrow selection, finding postage, and getting your card to the mailbox. Send Out Cards has made card sending fun and convenient right from your computer, any time of the day or night. Need to send 100 personalized thank you or birthday cards? Want to add your own photos to those cards? It's just a click away. Don't you want to be known as the thoughtful person who always remembered to say thank you or happy birthday? Send Out Cards has created a system for you to be that person through cards and gifts at a fraction of the cost you would normally spend. Send Out Cards works on a point system. You purchase points and then use them to send cards. For instance, a standard 2-panel card costs 2 points, which is 98 cents. A 2-panel card with as many pictures as you would like costs 3 points, or $1.47. Our $9.80 monthly subscription allows you to purchase points at our lowest retail price. There's no long-term commitment, and you can cancel your subscription at any time. And if you're looking to make a truly memorable connection, use Send Out Cards to create beautiful custom hardcover photo books, personalized photo calendars, gorgeous posters, or even classic canvas prints of your most treasured photos. You can even order personalized business cards from our convenient online store. If a picture says 1,000 words, say it 1,000 ways. With Send Out Cards, unique gifts for your family, friends, and colleagues.
Make someone happy. Stay in touch. Send a card today.
Look, with the economy the way it is, you can't afford not to use Send Out Cards.
To all the other moms out there, Send Out Cards really is the best way to go.
Look, as sales professionals, we work hard to find our customers. You want to keep them? Use Send Out Cards.
I'm telling you, man, you have to try Send Out Cards. Just go send a card.
If you're like me, you don't forget, you just remember late. Send Out Cards will help you to get it there on time.
Are you ready to build better relationships in your personal life or your business? Then get started right now. If you're still not convinced, Take Sendout cards out for a test drive today. You're going to love the way it feels.
Okay, so you get the gist of how important that video is, and it encourages them to go and send a free card. It encourages them to actually take an interest in the business. So we also have other sites that have 4 videos to show more about the business, etc. So this is a $3.95 site, and you can see all the benefits of doing that. And there's another site down here, 30-day gratitude challenge, that they could take the challenge. Now, this is $3.95 one-time commitment, but you can see the benefits. Both sites, both ways, you earn the same bonuses, the same income, you advance in the system, everything's the same. Okay? So the other site where you become an independent distributor is this one. Okay? Sorry, this one. And this is the front page, and so you can see they can go here. They don't have any video. They can't set up a free gift account. It's just all text, etc. Okay, and what they would do here is they go to sendocards.com and they click Join Now. Okay, and then they would see the different options. The preferred customer is $31 a month. This is our most inexpensive way to buy cards. It's 100 points a month. It costs them 62 cents for a card. If they add photos, it's 93 cents. A postcard is 1 point, 2 panel cards, 2 points, 3 panel card is 3 points, 4 panel, or if you add photos to each one, it's 1 more point. Okay? So a retail customer that they spoke of before, by the way, they get 100 points every month with this one. If they cancel this one, it takes them 6 months to before they can get back on this subscription. A retail customer is $9.80 a month, and this is the one that most people that start out order, and then they upgrade to this one. They realize how many cards they send. This one comes with 20 points, and of course it's then 49 cents a point instead of 31. So a greeting card on this one would be 98 cents compared to 62 cents. If they had photos, it would be $1.47 compared to 93. Now, once in a while, you'll get people that don't want a subscription. They don't kind of get it, but they want to pay more, and so they have this declining cost program. They start out at 99 cents a point, and then so a greeting card would be $1.98, and a 3 pound, if they had photos, it would be $1.47. Still very good, still very inexpensive compared to store-bought cards, etc. So there's the first one we showed you, the $3.95. To become a master distributor, it comes with 100 points every month. It comes with a lot. Okay, and you can look through that later. An independent distributor comes with all of this as well, but it's only $50 to join. But remember, they don't get that wonderful website. They just get a page, and you have to make sure they have the correct ID number to log in. Okay, so that's kind of the difference between the two of them. It's either go with the other one, where you've got the video that really does entice them. And when you look at our business sites, let me show you. Oh, sorry, .biz. That's the wrong one. Just give me a sec here. This is our business sites, and you wouldn't have this as well. It would. There's a product video, goes through all our products, go through that shows them how we print them through the warehouse. An opportunity video, you have Cody, the owner, talking about the company and where they're going and how you grow, how you advance in your program. So that's the other site that you would have as a master distributor. So you know, you can decide which way you want to go, and you know, get a hold of the person that's talking to you about Sendout Cards. If it's me, it's 250-729-9866. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. But talk to the person that's been speaking to you about Sendout Cards, and just kind of, you know what, get on the program, become a customer first if you want, and try it out, or whatever way you have to do it, just do it, because it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, it's so much fun, it's a great fundraiser, it's everything you can imagine. Okay? Thanks for watching. Take care.